How dare you speak to me like that? Who do you think you are?
Excuse me? I'm not the one who's been disrespecting people left and right.
Disrespecting? You're the master of disrespect. Always undermining everyone around you.
Oh, please! I don't need lessons in manners from someone who can't even keep their mouth shut when it's necessary.
Keep my mouth shut? At least I speak up when I see something wrong instead of pretending everything's fine like you do.
Pretending? You have no idea what I've been through. You don't know the first thing about me.
And whose fault is that? You never let anyone in. Always putting up walls and pushing people away.
Maybe if you weren't so judgmental, I'd feel comfortable opening up to you.
Me? Look in the mirror, buddy. You're the one throwing accusations around like confetti.
These are facts. You're impossible to deal with.
And you're impossible to reason with. I can't believe I wasted my time trying to talk to you.
Wasted your time? Ha! The feeling's mutual.
Yes, and I don't waste another second with closed-minded.
That's rich coming from someone who thinks they know everything.
I don't think I know everything, but I do know when someone's being unreasonable.
Coming from the person who started this whole argument over nothing.
You call disrespecting me nothing? I won't stand for it.
You're the one who's been throwing insults since the beginning.
I'm just speaking the truth, something you clearly can't handle.
More like your twisted version of reality.
You're just trying to deflect blame as usual. Typical.
I'm not the one who can't take responsibility for their own actions.
You're the one who provoked me in the first place.
I simply stated my opinion, and you blew up like a volcano.
More like a passive-aggressive attack thinly veiled as concern.
Oh, please, spare me the melodrama. You're acting like a child throwing a tantrum.
Look who's talking. You're the one acting like a spoiled brat who can't handle criticism.
That's rich coming from someone who can't handle a simple disagreement without resorting to insults.
I'm just calling it like I see it. You're the one who's too sensitive to handle the truth.
Your version of the truth is nothing but a distorted reflection of your own insecurities.
Ha! Coming from the person who's always seeking validation from others.
I don't need validation from someone as arrogant as you.
Look who's talking. You're the one who thinks they're always right.
I'd rather be right than delusional like you.
I'll take that as a compliment compared to being as narrow-minded as.
You're the one who can't see past their own ego.
At least I have the confidence to stand up for myself, unlike you, who cowers behind false humility.
That's rich. You wouldn't know humility if it slapped you in the face.
Slapped me in the face, is that a threat?
Take it however you want. I'm done wasting my breath on you.
Good, because I'm done listening to your nonsense. Go bother someone else with.
Says the one who started this whole mess. Grow up.
Look who's talking, Mr. High and Mighty. You're nothing but a hypocrite.
Coming from you, that's laughable. I'm out of here. Don't bother trying to contact me again.
Oh, don't think you can just storm off and leave the mess you've made behind.
Excuse me, last time I checked, it takes two to tango, and you've been leading this chaotic dance.
You're the one stepping on everyone's toes with your reckless behavior.
That's rich, coming from the person who can't even handle a disagreement without turning it into a shouting match.
I'm raising my voice because you refuse to listen to reason.
You wouldn't know reason if it slapped you in the face. You're too busy playing the victim to see the truth.
I'm not the one playing mind games and twisting words to suit my narrative.
Please, you're the master of manipulation. Always trying to control the situation to make yourself look better.
I don't need to manipulate anyone. My actions speak for themselves, unlike yours.
Your actions speak volumes about your insecurities and need for validation.
Coming from someone who's constantly seeking approval from others.
I don't need approval from anyone, especially not from someone as toxic as you.
Look in the mirror. You're the one poisoning every relationship you touch.
Ha! You wouldn't know a healthy relationship if it hit you in the face.
Is that a threat?
No, it's a metaphor for reality. Wake up and smell the coffee, because I'm done playing your games.
I'm not the one who's been playing. I'm just tired of dealing with your drama.
Says the one who thrives on conflict. I'm out of here. Don't bother trying to reach out to me again.
Trust me, I won't. Goodbye and good riddance.